Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm going to share with you how I get a streak-free shine on my glass surfaces and stainless steel with just water. Okay, maybe not just water. Water plus these amazing window cleaning cloths from VPMURUGA. I love these because they make cleaning a wide variety of surfaces quick and easy, and it does a fantastic job. I'm so impressed. There's absolutely zero streaks when you're done cleaning. I've washed my windows with these, my stainless steel appliances, faucets in the bathroom. They really leave everything looking polished, all with very little effort. These are microfiber. What I love about that is they don't leave any lint behind, unlike paper towel. They're not abrasive, so they're not gonna scratch your surfaces. Because these are reusable, they're very eco-friendly. So how I use these is I will use 2 cloths at a time. I use one and get wet with water and then follow up with the dry cloth. I think this is really efficient and works really well for me. These also wash well. The one that I used for my outdoor windows got pretty grimy from the dirt, and it came out of the washer looking brand new. So I've tried similar cleaning cloths like this before, but what I really like about these is you've got the fish scale stitching on each cloth. This adds a little bit of texture, which allows you to scrub surfaces a little bit better, and I really think that's what helps you get a nice streak-free shine. So if you want an easy way to clean the various glass surfaces, stainless steel, you want something to polish, this is such an easy way to do it and non-toxic, so I think you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.